With the payment reminder application, you can easily manage your payments, and you always know that your payment date is coming, so you will not miss your payment. You can do the following: enter required bill or invoice, enter remind date of payment, mark your payment as paid, manage payments by changing or delete them, search payments as paid or unpaid by pay date and by seller. When you start payment reminder application, you can set up the days when you want the application to remind you about the date of the payment of your bill. The default reminder value is 7 days. You can change it anytime later, or you can set up a reminder individually for each bill entered to the application. When you tap Manage Payment menu, you see this screen with the Add Payment button. When you tap the Add Payment button, you are prompted to the dialog allowing you to enter the data of your payment. With Add Payment dialog, you can enter the required seller name, amount you are required to pay date which you can find with search button, remind date which will be set up automatically using pay date, and remind days or which you can find with search button. After you tap Add button, you see the payment row added into the application. The checkbox indicates that the payment is not paid yet. When you add rows to the application, you can see your unpaid bills from the My Unpaid Bills menu. Anytime your application starts, it starts from this screen. You can also tap this menu to see your unpaid bills. If you already paid the bill, you tap the payment row to display the dialog to remove the row from the unpaid bills screen. After you tapped one of the unpaid bills row, the dialog displays. If you already paid this bill, you tap Submit button. Otherwise, tap Cancel. If you submit, the row disappears from screen of unpaid bills. When you tap Manage Payments menu, you can add, edit, or delete the row. After you tapped one of the rows, the dialog with the selected row is displayed in the dialog. From this dialog you can edit or delete the row. Tapping Edit button shows you the Update dialog. You can update all data of the row. When you tap the Update button, the row is updated. After tapping Update button, you see the changes in the row. When you tap Manage Payments menu, you can add, edit, or delete the row. After you tapped one of the rows, the dialog with the selected row is displayed in the dialog. From this dialog you can edit or delete the row. Tapping the Delete button removes the row from the screen. When you tap Search menu, you can search your payments with the 3 options: paid or unpaid, pay date, seller. When you choose the option, you tap the Submit button. When you choose paid or unpaid option, you are prompted to select Not Paid or Paid. Tapping Search button, only Not Paid or Paid rows are displayed. When you choose Paid Date option, you are prompted to select Start Date and End Date by tapping the Start Date and End Date buttons. Tapping Submit button shows the rows for the searched pay dates. When you choose Seller option, you are prompted to enter searched value. Tapping Submit button shows the rows with sellers having the searched value in their names. Thank you for your listening.